Hi everyone, welcome to Village Safari. Today we are making Kentucky Fried Chicken. For that we need buttermilk. For the buttermilk we need to take 150 ml of milk and we will put the vinegar and we will keep this milk and vinegar for 15 minutes. After that we will put pepper, chili powder or paprika, and we need to mix it well, and then we will place our chicken into it and we'll keep it for 2 hours, and if you will keep more time it is very good, so we will keep like this. Then we need to take a plain flour 1 cup, then 1 tablespoon of chili powder, then we need to take 1 tablespoon of corn starch, then we need 1 teaspoon of garlic and 1 teaspoon of salt, then 1 egg. For making the batter we need all these things. We need to bind it all. We will put some water also. After mixing all the ingredients we will put water and we will make it a good batter. Then in another bowl we will take a plain flour and we will put a 1 teaspoon of chili powder or paprika, then 1 teaspoon of or 1 pinch of salt, and we need to put our chicken in the batter, and we need to cover it with the flour which we made. We need to continue this process. We'll take your marinated chicken and we'll put it in the batter, then we will coat with this flour mix. We need to take all the chicken like that. We will continue this process till we will coat everything with the batter. It is good to use 2 hands. For the left hand we will take the chicken and with the left hand we will put the chicken in the batter, and with the right hand put in the flour, so that we can use our flour for a long time. So here I used both the same hand for doing the things, but it is good to use left hand and right hand for doing this, and just take the chicken and put in the batter with the left hand, then coat this with the right hand. Okay, now I'll put some oil in the bowl and we'll heat it. We'll place our chicken in that, and after that we'll put one more. So finally our Kentucky Fried Chicken is almost ready. It's almost tastes like the real Kentucky Fried Chicken. It's very good. It tastes like same the Kentucky Fried Chicken. Just try it, and you just try it in your home and just check whether it is nice or not. Okay, thanks for watching, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.